Grade A athlete is a team player known for his leadership on and off the court. He loves to sleep, play the guitar, and chess too. Introducing John Mayer Kapingkon, who says every set is a second chance to rise.